Welcome to our channel. We are all about exploring everything Jamaican, from the food to the culture, and yes, even the job market. Today, we're diving into the top 5 highest paying jobs in Jamaica. So, if you're thinking about making a career change, or maybe you're just curious about which professions rake in the big bucks, you're in the right place. Now, I know what you're thinking, Tania. Is this just for people already living in Jamaica? And the answer is not at all. Even if you're outside of Jamaica, this video is for you. You might be surprised to see the opportunities available, and who knows, maybe it'll inspire you to consider a big move to our beautiful island. We're going to break down each job, talk about the average salary you can expect, and even give you a little insight into what it takes to land one of these top positions. So grab your Blue Mountain coffee, get comfy, and let's get started. Alright, let's kick off our list with a profession that's not only highly respected, but also rakes in a pretty penny: surgeons and specialist doctors. We all know how important healthcare is, and in Jamaica, these professionals are at the top of their game. Think about it. Surgeons are practically superheroes in scrubs. They perform life-saving procedures, from intricate heart surgeries to delicate brain operations. And let's not forget about the specialists: cardiologists keeping our hearts ticking, orthopedists putting bones back together, and a whole team of experts dedicated to keeping us healthy. But being a surgeon or specialist isn't for the faint of heart. It takes years of intense studying, rigorous training, and a whole lot of dedication. But the rewards are definitely there. We're talking an average salary of 3 million to 10 million Jamaican dollars annually, and that's just the average. The more specialized and experienced you are, the higher that number climbs. So if you've got a passion for medicine, a strong stomach, and a desire to make a real difference in people's lives, this might just be the dream job for you. Coming in at number 2, we've got the masterminds behind the digital world, IT and software engineers. In this day and age, technology is everything, and Jamaica is no different. We're seeing a huge surge in demand for skilled tech professionals. These geniuses create the apps we can't live without, build beautiful websites, and make sense of data. Cybersecurity gurus keep us safe. The tech world moves fast, so think on your feet and adapt. If you're passionate about tech, this could be your calling. These skills are in high demand with great earning potential. Coming in at number 3, we've got the sharp minds who navigate the legal world. Lawyers. Corporate lawyers draft contracts and negotiate deals, while litigation lawyers fight for justice in court. It takes years of study, a sharp mind, and the ability to think on your feet. The rewards can be significant, with salaries ranging from 2 to 7 million Jamaican dollars annually. If you have a passion for justice, a career as a lawyer might be your calling. At number 4, we're stepping into the world of high finance with banking and finance executives. These are the number crunchers, the financial strategists, the ones who keep the money flowing in Jamaica's economy. We're talking about investment bankers who orchestrate big money deals, financial analysts who dissect market trends and advise investors, and chief financial officers, CFOs, who steer the financial ship of major corporations. Now, the world of finance is fast-paced and ever-changing. You've got to have a head for numbers, a keen understanding of financial markets, and the ability to make smart decisions under pressure. But if you thrive in a dynamic environment and have a knack for managing money, then a career in banking and finance could be your ticket to the top. And when we say top, we mean it. These high-level positions come with some seriously impressive salaries. We're talking about an average of 2,500,000 Jamaican dollars to 8 million Jamaican dollars annually, especially for those in senior roles like branch managers or investment bankers. And finally, coming in at number 5, we have a career that lets you soar above the rest: airline pilots and aviation professionals. There's something undeniably glamorous about taking to the skies, and these skilled professionals are living the dream every day. We're talking about the pilots who navigate massive aircraft across continents, connecting Jamaica to the rest of the world. But it's not just about flying the plane. We're also talking about the air traffic controllers who keep the skies safe, the aviation mechanics who keep those planes in tip-top shape, and the entire team of professionals who make air travel possible. Now, becoming a pilot or working in aviation requires rigorous training, nerves of steel, and a deep understanding of complex systems, but the rewards are sky high, both literally and figuratively. We're talking about average salaries ranging from 3 million Jamaican dollars to 10 million Jamaican dollars annually, depending on your experience, the type of aircraft you fly, and the airline you work for. So there you have it. The top 5 highest paying jobs in Jamaica, from the operating room to the courtroom, from the digital world to the world of high finance, and even up into the skies. Jamaica offers some incredible opportunities for those seeking rewarding and lucrative careers. Remember, this is just a glimpse into the diverse job market in Jamaica. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking for a change or just starting out on your career path, there's a place for you in Jamaica. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into everything Jamaican. Until next time, walk good.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When we walk through the valley of